Bring up this side quite a bit. This one's stuck. What we got? A little better. Raise this one. Maybe raise this one back here and we should be good. Back here is stuck. Okay. Still sticky. I had to glue in some of these feet because they were coming out, so. Alright, that looks pretty good. We can always make little adjustments. Yeah, what's up, Bryce? We are gonna do some resin pours, so. Yep, some good old melamine molds that we made. And we're going to put little strips of wood in there and then pour some resin down the middle. Oh, damn it. God, that is so sensitive. Sounds good, Momo. Maybe you'll be back in time for some resin. Okay, middle one's good. Do this one over here. Sounds good, Robin. Hope they fix you up real good today. I'm scared of the chiropractor. Like they would try to break me. You guys try to break me with hype trains, but I feel like they would actually break me with standing on my back. Or in this corner. We'll call it good. Alright, so three molds ready to go. Do you, John? I bet driving around in a truck all day doesn't help. They would probably be just like, I don't know. I'm sure if they got to me, it would just be like a huge crack. Just because like how messed up my back probably is too. But I wonder how much insurance covers just like non-medical chiropractic appointment. You find out what times are available in the embassy rate. I feel like it could be more effectively organized. Well, Bryce, if you submit your times that you're available, Owen is going to be organizing it. So he's trying to get a count of like when people are ready, and then when people are available, and then try to line up everybody's schedule. So, but if you're only open at one time, you can just put the one time and try to see if it works out. I tried an inversion table. I'm not sure if I'm familiar with what an inversion table is. I may have to look that up. Did you, John? Wow. That's yeah, that's super tough. Dang. Hope that's all okay now. Yeah, send me a link. I'd love to check it out. Yeah, gotta be some better ways to do this for sure. Oh, I just moved this. Hopefully it didn't change the level. Like the resin just kind of expanded these just a little. I don't even think we need to hold this one down. It's so damn tight. Still will, but perfectly in there. Was a fun senior year. Bet that didn't make it too much fun. Oh, what?